Hi, my name is Chris Cooper from Norfolk Yacht Agency, and this is a short walkthrough video of this motor cruiser Danny J, Mary Fisher 625. She's a 2006 boat, fitted with a 115 horsepower Suzuki outboard. That had quite a big service in the summer of last year, and she's also got a Suzuki 5 horsepower auxiliary, which is not included in the sale, but is available by separate negotiation. That was new last year, and according to the owner, hasn't run more than a testing, so not even an hour's use. The canopies are in pretty good condition. You can see the stern access on these, which is pretty good. Side access is good as well, actually, with step off the side decks down into the cockpit. Nice wide cockpits, nice wide decks. You can see why the boats are popular as sports fishers. Also popular as an easy, usable day boat, river cruiser. There's plenty of these on the Broads, actually. Several moored outside riverside houses. Very easy things to use. White clean almost in most respects, and they give you a reasonable cockpit and a decent helm space. Quite a comfortable thing to set off for a picnic or a stop at one of the riverside pubs. Right, without further ado, let's get you aboard. So here we are in the cockpit of the Mary Fisher. See steps there leading up onto the side decks on the starboard side, and if I go back to the port side, like quite nice wide side decks round. It's quite an unusual thing to see actually on a smaller boat, but there is decent deck access. Nice big bench seat across the transom there, with the canopy rolled up on that side. You've got stern access on the port side. Sliding door into the wheelhouse saloon. Helm position on the starboard side. There's a little pump sink behind the helm seat there. And underneath the cover, we've got a portable gas stove. Table there. A reasonable sort of size seating area, but obviously that converts into a berth as well. The table goes down into the gap, and there's an infill cushion that sits on top of it. Makes actually really quite a big berth. And quite clean and tidy in here. My helm position here. DSC Raymarine VHF and a A65 plotter fish finder. Engine controls there. There's a small distribution board there as well for the various circuits that are around the boat. Fuel tank on that side because we have a inboard tank, and then there's a trim gauge, engine trim gauge there on the starboard side of the binnacle. We've got a rev counter and compass on the port side of the vehicle there. Quite good visibility around this wheelhouse. You can see why these are popular as fast fishers. Matching the roof. Stereo speakers there as well. There's a roof hatch forward here too. Quite clean and presentable boat. Big engine service in 2021. Owner's not had it long. He had planned to do a little bit more with her and had the engine serviced pretty thoroughly to make sure he could, but things not panned out quite the way he'd had in mind, and he's now moving on to other things. So there we are. If you'd like any more information, please give us a call or head over to our website www.mya.co.uk. Thank you for watching.